Alright, what's going on, boys and girls? So this particular video, we are looking at a gaming headset called the Soulion Tracer 20. As you can tell, I have not opened this. Short version is a Amazon seller asked me to take a look at one of their gaming headsets that they had on sale, and I have never heard of these guys. I am very upfront about how I do my content. It's honest and all the other stuff. So let's roll into this and see how this looks anyway. I'm expecting typical gamer type stuff. So very gamer aesthetic, more than likely. I will say that the shipping did come very, very quickly. Not a lot of waiting, so props to the seller for that. The packaging is actually very, very solid. Not something I generically tend to see on these Chinese headsets, which is very nice to see for once. Alright, so let's look on the outside. Professionally tuned 58mm audio driver, noise canceling microphone, and comfortable and breathable ear pads. Easy operation of mic and volume, great compatibility on most devices. The cord that's included is the 7-footer. The one thing that I will say that I do like about this is, if you notice here, it says an artistic gaming headset. I don't know how I feel about that. So we can actually get this sleeve off. That is tightly sealed, will not lie. So the cost of this generically is about $27 US, which isn't terrible for a gaming headset. The brand that I generically use for headsets is one called Red Dragon, and hopefully this is the right way. Nope, that's upside down, I think. Yep. So, okay, so these have very, wow, okay, they do package them very nicely. Soulion, here's your 7-foot cord. The nice thing about this is a USB, not USB, 3.5mm headphone jack. And you have on the back here, you have your on-off and volume for your microphone and stuff, and your headphone volume. Typical stuff, nothing important really. So the overall packaging is actually really, really nice. I was expecting typical of cheap junk. So let's get these out of here, if they will decide to come out. Okay, so just from a construction point of view, these are actually quite nice. The cord is actually nice and thick. So generically what you get, oh, okay, I see. This actually has a splitter that comes with it. So for those of us that have headphone, microphone jacks still, or you can get the typical one for, so that's good. That's nice. That's a little attention to detail like that's kind of cool. So construction overall very nice. I'm gonna do a more full review of these, but this is just kind of a quick unboxing that I wanted to do. I don't do a lot of these, but that's the Soulion Tracer 20s. $26.99 right now. I would definitely recommend them just on initial feel. So first impressions, call it whatever you want. So we'll see how this plays in Linux. That's what I'm really curious about. So this is a quick unboxing. You guys know what to do. Rate, subscribe, and peace.